Here's a fun CNC project that may interest you. I programmed the CNC machine to carve out the names and these unique little dog prints. I made two of them. That one is for a dog named Coco, and this one is for a dog named Gracie. And they each have separate, unique paw prints. And I added these hooks for the dog leashes to go on. And I put these keyhole slots in the back so that they can be hung on the wall. Hi Internet, I'm coming at you with some woodworking gift ideas. And I'm using this CNC machine. This is one of the first CNC machines I got. It's a 3018, and I believe it's called the Woodpecker. On screen over here, I've got a design that I came up with, and it has like the dog's name and a little paw print that's going to be carved into the piece of wood. Below the paw print here, I've left room on the piece of wood for a hook. These are the pieces of wood that I'm using here. It's just 3.5 wide by 7, and this wood came from my property. It's some nice cedar. Every time I cut it, it smells so good. So once the machine starts cutting, it's going to release a nice cedar odor inside this studio. I always love that. I'm putting some two-sided tape on the back of this piece of wood. I put 4. That seems to hold it very well for that little machine. I've tried using clamps, but the clamps just kind of get in the way. But I found that this works very well. So now that I've got the two-sided tape, I'm going to place it on the machine. Raise the bit. Turn the spindle on. Now this is very noisy, so I guess I'll have to either turn the sound off or maybe I'll just show after it's done cutting what it looks like. Here we go. I just love it. This is going to take about 10 minutes. So I'm going to pause it here and then I'll show you it when it's complete. Okay, so the cut's complete. I'm going to pry this off of here. I'm going to vacuum this and then we'll take a look at it. Well, that's how it turned out. I'm going to sand this and then I'm going to paint the little paws and the border. I think it's going to look pretty good. But anyways, I've got another one to do because she has 2 dogs. So this is for the one dog, and then I'm going to cut another one very similar to this for the other dog, and I'll work on those things together. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. Alright, this cut's done. I'm going to vacuum this up and then take it out and we'll have a look at it. Yeah, so I think that these turned out pretty good. I'm going to paint them up, sand them, paint them up, and then I'm going to put a hook here and a hook here. And on the back I'm going to put like a keyhole so that they can be put up on the wall. But I'll show you that when I get there. So I've got a little palm sander here, and we're going to sand these up. So now that I have these cleaned up, I'm just going to take my block plane and clean up the edges. I'm using this little router with this keyhole bit in there, and I'm going to put a couple of keyhole so I can hang these up. I'll show you that. So this is what the keyhole bit did, so I can put a screw in the wall and then fasten that on there. We're going to paint these up now. I'm going to do the border and all the areas that we cut out in black. And to do that, I'm going to use this this little air sprayer. It works pretty good. As long as you keep it clean, it works really good. I like using this air sprayer because it seems to cover a lot of area with a very small amount of paint. Works better if I turn it on. We're going to add a little bit of pink here for Gracie. That should do. Adding a little bit of blue for Coco. There, that should do it. I have a couple of different brands of airbrush paint. The golden, I really like, and the medium, I really like as well. But I found that if I have paint left over, I can't put, when I take this cap off, I can't pour this back in. With the golden, I can. So the next time I go to purchase paint, I'm going to keep that in mind. The next step is to sand these. I have a palm sander. Sand them up and we'll see how they turn out. Actually, I'll show you the palm sander. I'm going to use this, and the palm sander is going to clean off all the surface paint, but it's going to leave all the paint that's where it was cut out with the CNC machine. So let's see how it looks. So I have one sanded down, the other one isn't sanded. That's what it looks like. I need to take an air compressor with a hose and just spray that off, and the colors will really pop. I'm going to sand the other one now, and then after that one's sanded, I'm going to use the air compressor with the sprayer and spray it out. These are both sanded now. I did the fronts and the backs. And they have like a slot in the back to hang them. Now I'm going to get the air compressor and spray them. So the next thing I'm going to do is put a coat of Varathane on the front and back. And when that's done, I'll put 2 coats on, 2 on the back, 2 on the front. And once that's complete, there'll be a trip to the hardware store to look for a hook to mount here and here. And then these will go on a wall, and then you can hang leashes or whatever else. So anyways, after that, I'll show you that when it gets done, and then it'll be time for another project. This is Varathane, actually, what I'm using. Latex Varathane. These hooks were added for the actual dog leashes or any other gear that you might have. Okay, so that covers that project. I guess it's on to the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. My name's Eric, and thanks for watching.